Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our not actually good morning, good evening, because we had some issues with the electricity actually since 9 o'clock until now. So yeah, I just want to update you on whatever that happened. So if you still remember, we had some news actually where Powell he was testifying. Maybe those I don't know if maybe they were not actually in a good way, because I can see that the dollar is losing some momentum. Unfortunately, I did not really watch those when he was testifying. So you can see here, I will just try to be as quick as possible because we are already late, and I need to meet some few guys. So let's see. We actually had this. Let's see. We had this economic news today. It was Wednesday. So here it's where he was testifying. So I don't know if he's still testifying even now, but even tomorrow we're gonna have the same thing. You see. But the most important thing is gonna be on Friday, when we actually going to have NFP. That is going to be also the dictator of the market. But just as yesterday, the market did reverse on us, guys. We saw some reversals, crazy reversals, by the way. But what can we do? Nothing. We just need to follow our trend and just continue what we do best, right? So now we are actually on USD CAD. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You can see that yes, on USD CAD the market was going down very nice. This is called a downtrend. Obviously, you can see that the market after that just broke out, and we have this stronger ranging structure. Instead of the market continuing going up, we see that the dollar is losing some momentum. We see it by Canada gaining some strength there, you see. So which shows us that maybe things did not really go very good for the dollar. Maybe they said they're gonna cut the rates. Maybe I'll have to check that. And when tomorrow we go on our daily analysis, I'll make sure that I update you on that, right? So, but now I'm just actually checking the structures of the market, right? So Bitcoin, what's really happening on Bitcoin? We can see that this market is seriously crazy. We saw the market was around 67. That was like all-time high, if I still remember. So after that, we saw a nice reversal here. Again, few hours again, the market started to fly again. So this is not really safe, guys. This is not really safe. But if you just buying and holding, I think it will be good for anyone who is doing something like that. But when the market is going crazy like this, it's difficult just to say I will analyze, oh, the market will go up and down. Nope, we can't say that. But we don't really know much what's really happening. We will have to go through that and see what's really happening. Nice, right? So I'm trying to be as quick as possible, and I'm even saying the wrong things. Instead of saying right, I'm saying nice. Okay. So anyways, we are actually on DXY. DXY, everyone want us to start here, because this is the dollar indicator, right? So it indicates the strength of the dollar. So what's really happening here? Previously, you can see that we are coming from a very nice one. We are coming from a nice structure, which is actually a downtrend. After that, you can see that we saw a breakout, which means the market was starting to go to the upside. So after that, we see that, oh, the market is starting to also give us a proper bullish structure. So on that bullish structure, you can see that the market was actually going up very nice. But since we reached this level of 104, the market started to find it difficult to push to the upside. The market started to sell up to this area, and then the market started to consolidate. But by this hour, we can easily see that now the market, instead of respecting this support, you can see this is our support, the market is breaking out of that. So which means once the market is breaking out, and you can see that it's actually aggressive, it shows that the dollar USD is losing some momentum. So if we go all across this pairs that goes with the dollar pair, obviously it's gonna be a different story. The market will be pushing up, or we will see what will happen on the next one, right? So this shows that the dollar is losing some momentum, which is good for us who actually are buying the likes of Nasdaq. So USDJPY, I hope maybe you can easily see this one. On USDJPY, we were on a very nice uptrend. It was moving like seriously very nice. So what we see here is we had the last ranging structure. I was expecting the market to do what? To continue pushing up. Guess what? The market just broke out of this area. So which means once the market breaks out of this support area, we expect the market to continue going down, because once it breaks, it means we actually see a change of a trend. So which means the market is changing the trend from this uptrend. Now we're gonna see the market going down, but not so fast, because the market can actually just play around here, and maybe the market might continue going up again. That is possible, but by looking at this, it shows us that there is enough chance to see the market continuing going down, right? So now we are actually on GBPUSD. What's really happening? You can see that we had a proper structure there. The market was going down. Unfortunately, I wasn't even available. Everything was just off. So you can see that the market is doing what? The market is actually, it was going down very nice. Instead of the market respecting this resistance, the market decided to break out, which shows that the dollar is losing some momentum. And I think maybe it's because of those statements, and this can actually keep pushing to the upside. So on this one here, it's either you're gonna wait for the market to reverse before you have your proper buys. It's up to you, but sometimes it's not really good just to jump straight to the market, because you don't really know what happened, right? Maybe there are some economic news going on, maybe the inflation, they're gonna cut maybe the rates. If maybe you did check that, that's actually good. Let me let me get something to drink very quick. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So after this, it shows us that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually showing us that the dollar is weaker. That's why we see the market is changing the trend here. So which means we are starting to go what? So go to that upside. But we have to be extra careful. If we check around these levels here, if we draw that properly, that can also be another resistance. But once we get out of that, we're just going to jump on that straight up. I think maybe that is straightforward. Let's continue to this other structure. So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? We are coming from this downtrend. The market broke out. Then we saw the market playing around, which it's actually called ranging. After that, I did send this signal early. I think it's today, early in the morning. I can see now it's going up. Once it reaches this level, I will tell them to actually lock their profits. I'm expecting the market to continue going up for quite some time. So this to me is quite straightforward, because the market actually it's actually going on on this uptrend, but it's straightforward because already the market broke out of this downtrend structure, which means it showed us before that I'm trying to go up. On gold, it's quite similar to Bitcoin. This thing is flying, guys. I think maybe this might be just because of for those who follow BRICS. I saw that BRICS already launched their crypto. Let's say BRICS like this or like that. I don't longer remember. So, but they actually launched their crypto payment or whatever. I don't know if maybe they have a certain coin, or maybe they are preparing to do that. I never went through that story, but I just heard that on the news because I also checked the news. They launched something like that so that they're gonna use to do their payments through those BRICS countries. So maybe that is something that is pushing Bitcoin and gold to the upside. We don't know what backs that crypto, right? So, but we will see. But besides that, we can easily see that yes, the market was going down. This was a nice downtrend. Now we have a breakout. We missed this nice push there. We missed this nice move here. But you know what? At least we are smashing the other ones. And plus, when the market is moving like this, it's difficult to know where the market will reverse or where the market is, where is the resistance or where the support. And when you don't really know those things, it's difficult just to go on the market and start trading. You see, we need to have that. But for now, I can say we can just watch gold flying. There is nothing we can do, right? So I'm very worried about US30 because I was not available to send these signals to my team. But anyways, whatever that happens, I will be updating you later on. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening? You can easily see that the market is actually been pushing to the upside. Yesterday, the market tried to break out. After we said we need to buy, the market tried to do what? To actually give us some headache. We saw an aggressive sell, and we saw the market breaking out here. So what's really happening now is we are going to change this support, and now we're going to have something like this. So to me, this might be an adjustment. This is actually an adjustment. So which means this was just there to scare some people. People who don't really understand much, and now the market is going up. So if maybe you had some trades, you were not supposed to just close those positions because the market was going to give you some nice, or maybe you can just lose later. The market is going in your direction. But anyways, this is called an adjustment. You can see that when we draw something like this, it makes sense, right? So, but now we will just wait and adjust that. If maybe there is something that I need to send in the group, I will actually do that. But for now, nope, I won't actually send anything, right? So we are actually on Nasdaq 100. What's really happening on Nasdaq 100? We are still on that uptrend. The market is still going to the upside. The market is still actually going up. Let's say support. So you can see that the market is still respecting this support area. Very nice. You can see that. So what we had yesterday was the market was around this resistance, which we can call a support. Instead of the market pushing up, the market decided to actually go even lower. That was a very stressful one, but we did not really run away from that. Why? Because we are still on that uptrend. So if you did not really risk much, obviously you can hold your trades, unless if maybe the market was going to break this level, that was going to be something else. But when you bought and you are still on that trend, the market is still up, respecting your trend, sometimes the problem might be your bought may be a little bit higher, but it's said to close your profits, then a few hours or a few days, the market still respect your support and still bounces back, and sometimes it can even move even further from where you bought previously, and that is not really nice. So but if you understand the structure, to me is we don't really have to lose if we bought and the market is still on an uptrend. We don't really have to lose when we took the right decision. The problem is sometimes, yes, we have to go in that drawdown, but the market will end up coming back or bouncing back. You see that? So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting from people who are following the trends. And this is what we're supposed to do. So now we can see that the market was around this level. We had a buy pending order. The market reversed. The market actually came back to reach this support area that we had before. Now the market seems to be going up. Where do you think the market is going to reach? I think the market is going to reach, let me remove this notification. I think the market is going to reach this level there. I think the market will be going straight to this area. Do you see that area? That is our highest area and our resistant area. And once the market reaches that area, I'm expecting to stay, let's stay out of the market until we see the market breaking out, or maybe the market will be respecting that before we see another push. And remember, tomorrow Powell is still going to speak or testify, and that might still be something very bad for the market because the market will be consolidating and stuff like that. So in S&P 500, quite similar structure from what we saw on Nasdaq. We see that yes, the market was still on this uptrend, but we saw an aggressive reversal. What I like is the market did support or did find a support around the structure, and now it's going up. I'm expecting it to respect this resistance. If not, it means that the market will be breaking out of that structure. So I tried to cover this, guys, so that I can cover whatever that I missed, because we were even supposed to go live. I missed that. Unfortunately, it's unforeseen whatever issues or problems and stuff like that. So now we are actually on US oil. Or before we go there, for those who wants to be part of the team, you can just wait, pause the video. If you want to be part of the team, you can choose any package that you want from that. Then you can just let me know. So that's how it's supposed to be if you want to be part of the team. So on US oil, you can easily see that, yes, we are actually on this uptrend. You can see something like that, you see. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal there. If maybe it's not a reversing, it means the market might end up breaking out of that, or maybe we might get this consolidation. So, but what I'm waiting for is the market to reach the support before we look for that buy, right? So I think for today it's enough. I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.